Hello everybody, welcome back to Rainbow Brush. Today we are going to, as you guessed it, learn to draw Iron Man. This Iron Man is one of my favorites to draw. I love this picture, you're gonna love it at the end as well. As always, if you mess up on this, don't worry about it, erase it, go back. Make it how you love it, learn from this, and we're gonna have a lot of fun talking and drawing. So have you guys seen the Iron Man movie? I have, I love it. I love all of them actually. Usually, I like the first one and the rest are just kind of meh. But on Iron Man, I like them all. They're good. So you can see as we start doing the face and the head, it's all starting to come together already. There's a lot of lines in this picture, but if you follow along with me, it's just a whole bunch of outlines. You are doing such a wonderful job. How do I know? Because I know. If you had one superpower, what would that superpower be? I think mine would be to fly. Or, no, turn invisible. No, fly. I don't know. It's such a hard decision. What would yours be? Could you walk through walls? That'd be kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. Or, like on X-Men, you could just disappear and reappear somewhere else. That's also a really cool superpower. Or you could do like Tony Stark did. Shh, don't tell anybody. Tony Stark is Iron Man. I know, I dropped the bombshell on you. Don't tell the bad guys. Anyways, what would you do? What would your superpower be? I would love to fly. I've always wanted to fly. Fly with the birds, go way high up in the sky and just be free. I think that's most people's wish, most people's dream of flying and being free. It'd be so great, wouldn't it? Anyways, you could just build your own suit like Tony Stark. That'd be kind of cool, but you'd need millions, maybe even billions of dollars. Or a genie like in Aladdin. A genie could do it for you. You know, in one of the other videos, we just got done drawing a Tyrannosaurus Rex. So if you guys want to find out how to draw a Tyrannosaurus Rex, or a T-Rex, or, I'm gonna give you a heads up guys, his name's Bert. Bert is an awesome dinosaur. Go over there and draw that dinosaur next. It's a lot of fun. I loved drawing it. And we're gonna start the hand with the finger, of course. We're gonna draw some more fingers. And before you know it, he's gonna have a laser hand. That's right, he's gonna have a laser robot hand. Hands are always difficult, but just make sure that you draw it like it's drawn here, and you should get through it just fine. There it is, now it's starting to look like a hand. One of the fingers is curling down. We're gonna make the palm of the hand and the thumb. And we have to draw that little circle in the middle of his hand, of course, to shoot that laser out and kill the bad guys. Boom, baby. So here where I live right now, it is just raining and pouring all day long. I love the rain, but oh my goodness, it is flooding here. So on a rainy day, what do? Well, you sit down and draw. There's nothing like drawing. It clears your head, makes you focus, makes you happier, and then you feel like you did something awesome at the end when you're done and it's all colored in and it's drawn. So as I make this video, Halloween's coming up just around the corner. Iron Man would be kind of cool to be for Halloween. If you got a really good Iron Man costume, how cool would that be? You could even have one with the hands lighting up. You could make your own. You could buy one from Walmart or anywhere else. It's always fun to dress up and go to a party, bob for apples, maybe candied apples. Candied apples are my favorite. They're the best. Christmas is also coming up. What are you guys doing for Christmas? I'm gonna be staying home with family. I actually live near a whole bunch of family, and we spend every holiday together. I love it. I think this year I'm gonna be doing a Nightmare Before Christmas tree. How awesome is that gonna be? A little bit scary maybe, but it's gonna be worth it. And you know what? That's one tree that you could probably put up before Halloween. Because It's still Halloween themed. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put up the Christmas tree early. It's gonna be Nightmare Before Christmas tree. I'm gonna have to find a whole bunch of decorations, so if anybody has decorations that they know of or can think of, or get a link there for me so I know where to go to get those, let me know. And as always, make sure you like and subscribe to this video if you like it, and you will find much more around the corner that we can draw together. Look at all this armor that Iron Man is wearing. He's never gonna get hurt. It's awesome. See what I mean? These lines, whole bunch of lines. This is gonna be a lot. But, like I said, if you stay with the video and you do it as I do it here, it is no problem. Not a big deal. You're getting so much better already, I could tell. And you never know when you're gonna learn something. So next time you draw, you might realize, hey, I actually learned something last time and I did better. That's kind of how I started out. So I'm kind of curious, where do you guys live? Like, not exactly where you live, don't give me your address or anything. But where in the world are you? I currently am in the United States and I'm in Texas. I don't know if you've ever been to Texas or if you've ever heard of Texas. Cowboy hats and horses and, well, those are stereotypes. It's a pretty cool place to live. We get people from all around the world and it always surprises me how far away people are watching this. I'm really glad that you all get to enjoy it though. Getting together like this on the internet is just something that's amazing. Ooh, you know what I need to do after this? After this, I think I am going to play Black Ops 4. I forgot that it came out recently, and I had downloaded it, pre-download, and I had missed a couple days. Because I bought it so long ago, I forgot I had it. So Black Ops 4 is gonna be on my to-do list. Any one of you play Black Ops or Call of Duty out there? I like it, I think it's pretty cool. Looks like this last one, Black Ops 4, is a lot like Fortnite. Which is kind of weird, but I guess it makes sense because they sold so much. What I can't wait for is for the next PlayStation to come out. Love the PlayStation. I used to have an Xbox when it first came out, and then I kind of switched over to PlayStation. I prefer the PlayStation now. I'm not sure why, I guess it's just comfortable and familiar for me. I do play pretty much everything though. I even have a Nintendo Switch. And what I love about the Nintendo Switch is you can take out the little handheld device and bring that wherever you want to go. All right, Iron Man is looking beautiful. We got Fist on the other side. We have a laser hand on the right side, and we're finishing this up. So as always, make sure you put something in the background, maybe rocks crumbling to the earth or the Hulk. Maybe you can mix up the other drawings that we've done before and put a dinosaur in there. Doing this makes me want to make my own comic book now. I think if we really tried, we can come up with a superhero and put him in a comic book. Yeah, that'd be kind of cool. Now, what kind of superhero could we make? How awesome would it be if you went out there, you made your own superhero cartoon character, and made your own comic in. You can put whatever color you want on there. I'm gonna do red and gold. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I appreciate it. I hope you learned something and had some fun. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment to keep things going, and I always love to hear from you. I will see you next time. Goodbye.